All right, guys, we are at Holt Cat Systems, and this is really cool. This is my first time in the Longview Industrial or the Longview Business Park, and so we're excited. So we cannot wait to show you everything that is in store. Hi, good morning.
Hi.
It is 8:30 in the morning, and I'm usually not up at this time, even though it's Girl Scout cookie season. We don't usually sell until like noon, right? All right, so I'm excited about Holt Cat Systems. Can you tell me what you think we might see in here? It's a manufacturing facility. Have you seen cat anywhere in East Texas?
Yes.
Where have you seen it?
At construction sites.
Okay, at construction sites. Awesome. So you think we might find out something about like manufacturing the large moving systems?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we're excited, and we will show you hopefully a little bit inside. If not, we'll do a recap at the very end. Oh, that's so cute. They have the logo on the mailbox. Isn't that cool? Okay, so we are going into service and sales. Okay, so what are these? Earbuds. Okay. And why might you need these?
Because it gets loud.
Very true. And we also have cat branded eye protection.
We'll throw the piston and the liner away. Pretty much this is the only thing we'll reuse. They'll have to take them over here. We'll have to pump them up and check to make sure the size is still good. Sometimes we'll put this in, sometimes we won't, and then he'll...
So I didn't realize it had this many components.
That one, we've only ever done one of those wet manifold ULVs, and we just finished it last week. That came out. Instead of painting it black or yellow, we chose pink so it would stand out. We did. Absolutely. You good? Better to her.
Well, we wanted to tell you guys thank you so much.
Have
You
a great
too. So it's like everything's coming full circle. This is, I guess, their maker space, for lack of a better word, but this is where I guess they can test the materials so you can see different machines. So that looks really, really cool.